Where you heading, Cubs?
Setting up the cans.
Yeah, mate. I'll make it work.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, jump in, eh? I missed it. Oh, man, look, there's a break in the traffic. There's a break in traffic. Oh, let the pony down. Yeah. Hey, big biggies. Yeah, mate, you selling that waterbed? Yeah? You reckon I'll come have a Captain Cook? You flat out like a lizard drink. Nah, look, mate, so am I, aren't we all? You know, come on. But look, how much are you asking for it anyway? Oh, Oi, mate, he's asking 300.
Tell him he's dreaming.
Look, give us your address. I'll come have a chin wag with you about it, eh? Yep, hold on. Just get my pen and paper in. 1, 2, 3. Fake straight. You're not pulling me leg, are you, mate? Is that actually you straight? Yeah, righto. Okay. Mate, I'm wrapped as a dunny roll. I'll be round in a jiffy. Beauty. See you, cobber. Right. What is it? G. Can. 1, 2, 3. Fake Street. Is page 64. You good? You reckon you could read that for us and we'll get going? Bloody forgot my handbrake. Jacko? Jacko!
Jacko, mate!
Man, where you going?
We've got room for one more?
Yeah, mate, we're headed.
Yeah, off to Perth.
Yeah, make it work. We dropped my cans.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, beauty.
Yeah. Got a couple backpackers up there and one more starting loading.
Wouldn't mind a beer though.
Yeah, oh, you want? Here you go, I've got a tally for you, mate. Yep. I can't have that anyway, I'm driving. I told you how bloody good cruisers are. A lot of people think there's no need, but they're that bloody good on like.
I can tell.
Everything is the best you can get.
This is a state-of-the-art bloody.
Oh, mate.
Gee.
It is the most up-to-date vehicle you can buy. Oh, you're thirsty?
Yeah, mate, driving a Pommy's bath mat.
Oh, mate, here you go, Cobber. I've got one for you.
Thank you. Oh, it's a little one, but it'll do. Actually, I'll save it. I'll save that one.
Oh, yeah.
RBT up ahead. Random breast testing.
You boys like James Bond?
Yeah, mate.
Just picked up one of the new movies from Bali, unreleased.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, Goldeneye.
The new Goldeneye.
Yeah, mate.
I got diesel in it, Macca?
Well, I don't know. I hope so, because we ain't getting a Perth if it doesn't. Oh, me durry.
Jesus! Right, look at it. Oh! Oh my God.
$72.
6 left, more roundabouts, 2 traffic lights and then another left. 3rd house on the right. Will Macca ever get to pick up his waterbed? Will the hitchhiker actually get to Cairns? And does Jacko actually know where Perth really is? Find out the answers to these questions and many more on the next episode of No Need for 79. No. In the 80s, it was a little lesser known that smoking is not all that good for your health, and we are by no means promoting smoking. It was a bit of a joke about the 80s. Like everyone seemed to smoke in the 80s. It was cruises. The 70s series, the 70s series is nearly up to 40 years of running. So that's pretty crazy to think that this car is from this era. Like, isn't it just crazy to think?
You'll notice no cigarettes were ever actually lit. I'm not a fan of ciggies at all. I prefer everyone didn't do it. Because, like, I don't know, it's hard to quit things, but...
Hang on, I need you to convert back to the 80s right now.
Shouldn't do it. Alright, each to their own, but if you want to feed the government some money, go for it.
Also, while I've got you guys, there is currently a discount code at Outback Equipment. TJ Jack 5 gives you 5% off and puts you in the draw to win a further $250 voucher.
You're joking.
Yeah, I'm giving 4 away. That's going for another month.
Can't get your ciggies on there, but...
You can't get ciggies there, no.
That's the one online store for me.
Yeah, there's heaps of online stores from the 80s, yeah.
Yeah. What's this on the line business you're talking about?
This was not actually the reveal video of the Cruiser.
I don't know if there's a giveaway for that. But...
Although it's been pretty revealed. There is actually more going on. The snorkel, headlights. I don't want to give it away, but there's more to come. So we're going to do a proper reveal video and some off-roading to prove that it's actually a capable car now.
Well, we don't know yet.
Well, we're not sure about that.
It hasn't proven itself yet. I just got so judged. There we go, the bloke.